Today, we're going to talk about the transgender bathroom debate. But first, when someone says they are transgender, what does that exactly mean? Well, in order to explain the definition of transgender, we must first explore the definition of gender and sex. When we were younger, many of us were taught that gender and sex can be used interchangeably, but there is a difference between the two. Gender is the feminine or masculine social roles that we identify with. Being masculine, which is strongly correlated with being a man, includes characteristics such as being manly, strong, confident, being muscular, having a deep voice, being athletic, being a hero or a boss. And being feminine, which is strongly correlated with being a woman, includes characteristics such as being soft-spoken, fragile, flamboyant, being girly, nurturing, nice, kind, and sweet. Sex is the biological aspect of one's body. In other words, reproductive organs that one is born with. So there is a clear difference between the two. In America, we are so consumed in the cultural norms of our country that we sometimes forget to distinguish between what is natural in regards to biology and what is a social construct. An example was in Samoa, Polynesia, and their idea of gender. It differs from the United States because as opposed to having only feminine females and masculine males, the Samoan culture integrates a third in which a male acquires both feminine and masculine characteristics. They are called fa'afini and remain socially accepted in society. By this example, it is clear that there is indeed a distinction between human biology and gender. Knowing this, being transgender means that one's biological sex does not correspond with their gender. An example would be a masculine female or a feminine male. So, what's with the transgender bathroom debate? Well, there are two sides to the issue. On the opposing side, people say things like, they're going to rape our women, or I don't feel safe, or even, I feel uncomfortable with that. Supportive views say, the transgender community has been through enough, and what about equality? We found a statistic that really emphasizes just how important it is to have an inclusive environment all over. In a survey conducted by the National LGBTQ Task Force and National Center for Transgender Equality, or NCTE, they concluded that 51% of those who were victimized in school had attempted suicide at some point in time. For example, if you take 10 people, according to the statistic, 5 of them will attempt suicide. This is a very significant number. In other states, certain laws are being set in place to prevent the transgender community from using the bathroom in which they identify with. However, in California, Governor Jerry Brown has approved the integration of gender-neutral bathrooms. On the CSUN campus, being that it's in California, there are gender-neutral bathrooms scattered all over campus. A few we name are the SRC, the Student Recreation Center, the Oasis, the Dance Centers, and the Klotz Center, to name a few. A good resource to help you or somebody you know to find a gender-neutral bathroom would be refugierestrooms.org. This website allows you to type in your location and you'll be able to find the closest bathrooms to you that are gender-neutral. We hope that this video opened your eyes more to the issues surrounding our peers. We urge you to share this information to somebody in which you would benefit, whether it be you or friends. Thank you for watching!